Alright, hey everybody, welcome to Heidi's Garage. Today we are going to be fixing a four-wheel drive on this 1993 Chevy K1500. This is one with the manual 4x4 shift on it. I will show you what is wrong with it. Today we are going to be looking at why the four-wheel drive does not work on this older Chevy K1500. So this is a plow truck. It's an old manual. It's a V6 in it. And the four-wheel drive is not working. So I'll show you what we're going to be looking at today and how to fix that. Alright, so on this truck, it is the manual shift 4x4, so you're in two-wheel drive here, pull it back, and so it's going to four-wheel drive. And right now, it does not do that. We were able to determine that the transfer case is not bad because we can put it into 4-low, which is up here at the top, and you have 4-low gearing. So the transfer case is shifting, and it is spinning the front drive shaft out to the front pig. Next thing we checked was all of the fuses. We checked the four-wheel drive fuse, which is this 25 amp one up here, the yellow one, and it is not blown, so we know that the fuse is still good and there's not being power dumped somewhere. So after checking those multiple different items on the truck, we determined that is the front differential actuator that's bad. On these specific trucks, the 88 to 98, if I'm not mistaken, are a thermal actuator. So that's why they always take a little bit longer to shift in the four-wheel drive, and they are prone to failure. So right here we have a new electrical Dorman actuator. This one will take the place of the old thermal one, and they'll let you shift your truck into four-wheel drive much faster. So to replace it, you'll come around to the front passenger side. This one has a plow on it, so we gotta work around the plow and the plow mounts, which is not too bad because these trucks sit fairly high. And we'll go underneath the truck on this side. This is where we can access where the actuator is at and remove it and replace it with a new one. Okay, so we are underneath the truck, and your front differential is right here. This is the actuator that we need to remove and replace. This is the plug going to it, so we're going to unplug it here, pull it around, and then we'll remove the actuator. Okay, so as you saw, I used a little bit of heat and was able to get it to loosen up. Oh, that front diff needs change in fluid. Okay, so we're going to stick our next one in, our new shifter in. And then we're just going to thread it in, just like we unthreaded the other one. So I'm just going to thread it in like this, and we're going to snug it up, plug it in, and then we will check to make sure that it is now engaging into four-wheel drive. I didn't have a pair of adjustable wrenches big enough for removing the other one. Okay, so now we're just going to snug it up like that, and you'll obviously have to check it, after a little bit of heating up and cooling down to make sure that it did not get loose. We're going to wrap this up and around here, so back up and around the axle like the OEM one was, and just plug it in. There we go, snap it in. And you can stick it in that little tray just like that. Alright, so now we are going to go check and see if it works. Okay, so now we have the truck running. As you can see, the front lighting for the 4x4 is lit up, and our 4x4 is engaged. Alright everybody, that is how you fix the four-wheel drive on an 88 through 98 Chevy K1500 series trucks. Just look at the actuator. That is probably the main problem with it. And hopefully that can help you guys fix your vehicles. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.